Increasing watch hours is one of the difficult things for the new YouTuber. Yes guys. So if you wanna increase more watch time and more views in your channel, please make sure your video becomes able to boost audience retention. I mean maximize views in your channel. Today I'm going to suggest you 10 different techniques how you can increase watch time on your channel. Please watch this video till end if you really want to increase more watch time on your channel. First things that I wanna suggest you to make a video on a powerful content. Yes guys, millions of the people make video and upload video every minute in the world. Though you need to make a video that is literally different from other video. Otherwise nobody gonna to see your video. That's why please make some research in YouTube, in Google or wherever you like and present a new things which can address the problem of thousands of viewers. In this way you can generate more views in your channel as well as watch time. Second things that I want to suggest you to reduce talking head videos. What I mean, keep things fresh, keep things interesting, make some VFX effects, make some 3D effects, make some transitional effect inside your video. Then only people become interested to see your video. Otherwise, if you just give more lecture and if you have some more talking head videos, then nobody likes to see. They will just skip and your watch time and your audience retention will be just decreasing down. That's why you please reduce the talking head videos. And the third things that I want to suggest you to make a powerful thumbnail. Yeah, you know that thumbnail is one of the things that just surf around the YouTube. People see your video because of your thumbnail, because it is the one of the things that just describe everything what you are going to present inside your video. That's why please make a good thumbnail for your video. Next things, you need to make a powerful playlist. If you have a powerful playlist, YouTube will suggest the next video from your channel whenever the people see your video. So in this way you can generate more views, more watch time inside your channel. Another steps is add link in description section. If your viewer just visit your description sections for the further informations or for some others link, at that time you can attract your viewer to see the next video from your channel. If they become interested to see the content, they will see your next video. That's why this is another idea to generate more watch time inside your channel. Another thing I want to suggest you to add in title in your each video. Guys, this is one of the coolest things in a YouTube, that you can promote your more videos with the help of the one video. So please don't miss this opportunity to promote your more videos with the help of your one video. So please add in title in your each video. Another cool thing that you get in a YouTube is add cards. Guys, please add cards in each your video. That means you can also promote your some other video with the help of the I button available in a video play screen of YouTube. So please don't miss this opportunity also to generate more viewers in your channel. Another thing that you need to do compulsory is reply every comment. Yeah, it's simple guys. If you are new, it's compulsory, because if you generate more comments and if you just reply every comment, at that time your video becomes engaging. YouTube algorithm will understand something like this video is more engaging. It will start showing your video at the top rank. That's why you please generate more comment in your video. Also reply every comment that you receive. The next idea is use social media. Guys, if you apply all this technique but still you haven't seen any progress on your channel, don't worry, we have a solution. Share your video in social media and ask people to see your video. In this way also you can generate quite more watch hour in your video. And here comes the times of releasing the secrets. Today's last technique is watching yourself. Yes guys, it seems funny but it's possible. By watching yourself, you can increase your watch hours as much as you wish. Really, I become able to increase more than 4K watch hours per day on my each video. So how you can increase your watch hour by seeing your video yourself? Let's begin. First of all, install the different browser in your PC. Make sure this browser supports YouTube. Once you install, simply open the browser and search for the YouTube. Make sure you have logged in into your YouTube account with a different Gmail account. Search your channel from the different browser and just simply check for the playlist that you have created. Make sure you have created the playlist in which contains most of your video. Play the video from your playlist. Also make sure you have clicked on a loop option. In this way you can watch your video yourself. Suppose if you watch your video from the 4 different browser at the time, you can increase 1 hours of watch time within a 50 minutes of time. I hope guys you like this video. Make sure you subscribe this channel and turn on the notification bell for the information of latest video from this channel. See you in the next video.